Hello everyone, so today we are going to change all the trim that's all horrible in the Golf. So we have, not that you can really see it, get that out. So we've got some carbon fibre look. It's not amazing, but it's going to look a lot better than the manky wood that we've got and all the broken bits in here. So we're going to swap all this around and hopefully it's going to be nice and easy. Right, so in previous videos that I've seen online, you should just pop this little cap off here, like so, and the rest of this should just pop up, which, yeah, it does. So I've got a little plug that side, and that's that off, and that's the nice new one that we've got. So it's going to be a little bit different. You can tell by the weight that it's a lot different, but all I need to do, by the looks of it, is there's 3 screws at the back, 2 at the bottom, 1 at the top. Undo them and we should be able to swap them over. Let's get them undone. So that's the switches out. So they should, let's see if we can give them a little bit of a clean one here. Make it a little bit nicer for you. So that's just the window switch. So here's a new one. So it should line back up and re-put in the 3 screws. There's 1. Number 2, and this is number 3. So then all we need to do is reconnect it back up, and by the looks of it, it just slots in. He says. Oh, right. So some of the clips on the old one have broken in. So there's a couple of clips. 1 there, 1 there. It's only the 2 that's broke. Oh, 3, sorry. So I'll get them out and I will show you it on in a second. Right, so we had a couple of clips broken from the old one inside here that was preventing me to put the other one in. So let me just see if we can clip it in. So 1, 2, 3. couple of clips the other side. So it should now just pop in. There you go. And then I've got this tiny little end cap. Just snaps in, and then that's how it looks, which ain't too shabby, to be fair. So let's start on the rear door cards, and we'll start by taking these out. Right, so on the rear ones, you should be able to just get under here, be careful not to get the other side of it, and slowly prise it, because you don't want to break anything. They're just clipped in. Just like that. So literally got a clip that bolts onto here, as you can see from there. So there's 1 clip, 2 clip, 3 clips. And then you've got 1 screw, 2 screw, 3, 4, 5. And it should come off. So it's just a cheap, easy mod that's going to look a lot better than the wood that obviously you all know that I really do not like. Hence why I've changed it all over from my other Golf I have. So after this last one, it should all pop straight off, like so. And then this is our new one. So let me just unclip it. So same again. So let's start by doing the big screws to hold it all in place. And then the 3 little screws. There's 1. And there's 2. And the 3rd one is just over here. And then it makes it nice and solid. Then all we need to do is clip this on. So line it all up. Right, so it's a little bit fiddly by the looks of it. So let me have a little play with it and I'll show you what it's like in a minute. Right, so the alignment on it is not amazing. Fitment's not perfect, it is a little bit off. But overall, it's good, solid. It goes on. You just need a bit of brute force to pop it on, really. So I will get the other two done and then show you what it looks like. Right, everyone, so we have put the new door handles in. So that is all of them fitted. Can't really see that one, but I am very happy on the way it's turned out. So if you like my videos on how you do it, please like and subscribe, and on with the next one.